Hello, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. Today I have iPhone 16 Pro on my desk. So let's unopen it after 2 months and see how it look like. I had this iPhone 16 couple of time and this time I'm gonna open 16 Pro. So let's unpack from the top and from the bottom, and it has the same Apple packing. So look at this. So let's take out the box from this, and you'll see just remove from the top. So this is the first look of the 16 Pro, which has 3 cameras. That's comparatively kind of same look of 15 Pro. I mean, look at the sides. It has the metal, some couple of one addition for the camera zoom lens. The bottom are same, and the one button is added on the right side, left side also. The 3 cameras, there is no changes on the lens and the bottom thing, so which is most like the same. So let's put aside and see what is inside the box. The same braided type C to C cable, but the packing style is different a little bit. And here is also the manual or other documentation. Shapes is changed, nothing major changes. So let's remove this thing and turn on. While it's turning on, I have one privacy screen protector I have ordered. So let's take out from the package. So this is a privacy screen protector, and let's install it. And you can also learn how is easy installation of that thing. So just align properly on the top and from align on the bottom, and it will settle down itself. You can see it's settled down. While it's settling down, look at the back again. The sides are there. The bottom has everything is same other than couple of button I told you. So let's do some initial setup thing. Look at the privacy thing. You cannot see on the sides. That's actually what some people like. So I ordered for one of my customer. So let's set up it later, and you have to follow those all steps. So back to the silent mode and action button and everything you already experienced in 15 Pros. So here is the camera control. Look at the sides. This is a vibrator button that they're now giving you in the button, and this is a camera zoom, which is I think the Sony Ericsson was giving back in 2006. 18 years back they were giving these kind of option, but in the wheel this is a touch, so that's not a big difference for me. So let's welcome screen. This is the first welcome screen for 16 Pro. So let's try this camera zoom, but they actually they create the hype for those things, which is nothing for me actually. So look at this. So you can just rotate up and down. It's kind of sensor thing. Is used to be a wheel in Sony Ericsson. So that's it. So if you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the